Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Amazon carts is probably one of the most important yet overlooked aspects of the online shopping experience. A well-designed shopping cart can significantly impact conversion rates, customer satisfaction, and ultimately, your bottom line. In this video, we will explore the top Amazon shopping carts available, comparing their features, functionalities, and overall user experience to help you make an informed decision and optimize your online store for maximum efficiency in sales. Number 5. VEVOR Folding Shopping Cart. It boasts an upgraded wire mesh bottom and reinforced bar, holding up to 330 pounds without bending. The waterproof liner protects your items and keeps them from falling out. This cart offers a large front basket and an additional back basket, giving you plenty of storage. Keep your personal belongings safe and secure in the back. With 4 industrial PP swivel wheels, it moves smoothly, even when fully loaded. The 360 degrees rotating front wheels make turning easy. It folds up in seconds for easy storage and transport. Store it anywhere without taking up much space. This cart is perfect for groceries, laundry, camping gear, and more. It's easy to assemble, just unfold and attach the wheels. What we like. It has a waterproof liner to protect your items and an extra basket for more storage. The heavy-duty construction ensures it can handle a lot of weight. If you need a cart for heavy loads and want to keep your items dry and organized, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a very sturdy product and can carry a lot of groceries, which is what I particularly bought it to do. It is pretty large, actually larger than I expected, so I am probably never going to overload it. It folds up nicely and I store it folded flat behind a door. This thing is perfect for everything. Groceries are done in one trip, and it's super easy to pull up the stairs behind you. Taking multiple boxes or garbage bags out. Fits at least 3 full bags of garbage. This baby can hold so much stuff and is perfect if you need to move a lot of stuff but aren't super strong or get easily fatigued or injured. It folds fairly flat and easily fits in the back seat of my car. It's also super sturdy. It is a great value as a grocery cart. It is very well built and easy to assemble. I used the provided shipping box to make an inner liner. Groceries don't get hung up on the wires when you load and unload. The bags just slide right in out. It is an excellent laundry cart. It holds a large load of laundry easy. No more lugging laundry baskets. Number 4. Amazon Basics Foldable Cart. This cart is perfect for all your shopping needs. Its durable design and large capacity make it ideal for groceries, laundry, or anything else you need to transport. It boasts 2 large baskets and a smaller one for personal items. You can easily carry up to 70 pounds. Maneuvering this cart is effortless thanks to its smooth 360-degree wheels. Navigate any space with ease. The foam-covered handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, making it easy to transport your items. It folds flat for easy storage and carrying when not in use. It's incredibly convenient for compact spaces. This cart is quick and easy to assemble, so you can start using it right away. No tools required. Use it for groceries, laundry, sporting equipment, or anything else you need to transport. It's perfect for various situations. What we like. This cart is extra large, perfect for big shopping trips. The 360 degrees wheels make it easy to maneuver, and it folds up easily for storage. If you need a large capacity cart that's easy to handle and store, this is a great option. What people say. It folds up very neatly as to not take up a lot of space, and it holds a lot of bags. The cart holds a whole lot, and I appreciate having 2 compartments, one for fragile soft items like eggs, bread, chips, etc., the other for everything else. It was easy to assemble alone. The wheels function well, handling both grass and pavement, even when fully loaded. The width is perfect as I can negotiate doorways without a problem. It carries just about anything, is very maneuverable. I live in an apartment on the 7th floor. I use it for groceries, laundry, just about anything that has to be moved, and fits just about anywhere. Number 3. Joovy Boot Shopping Cart. It's more convenient and easier to use than other shopping carts. This cart simplifies your life and makes grocery shopping a breeze. It can hold up to 70 pounds of groceries, making it perfect for large shopping trips. Yet it only weighs 15 pounds. The included tote is stylish and reusable, holding up to 55 pounds. It's securely attached with a one-click magnetic system. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to maneuver and store. It easily fits through doorways and checkout aisles. Swivel wheels allow for easy one-handed steering, even in tight spaces. Navigate corners and crowds with ease. The one-step parking brake is simple to use and prevents accidental movement. No more pinched toes or scuffed shoes. Joovy believes happy, healthy parents raise happy, healthy children. This cart is designed to simplify your life and make things easier. What we like. It's lightweight and folds up easily with one hand, making it perfect for those on the go. The parking brake adds extra safety and convenience. If you prioritize ease of use and portability, this is a good choice. What people say. The basket that lifts out is the best feature. You literally just lift it up with all of your stuff in it and put it in your trunk. Then when you get to your destination you already have it packed to just set down onto the cart. It rolls easy with its 360 wheels. It is easy to maneuver and can be pushed with one hand. It is easy to fold and unfold, and when folded can stand on its own. Number 2. SereneLife Shopping Cart. It has a 110-pound storage capacity and sturdy build, so you can easily carry heavy groceries and other items. It's lightweight and perfect for everyday use. This cart features a collapsible design for easy storage and carrying. It's compact when folded, but spacious when open, perfect for various needs. Maneuvering this cart is effortless thanks to its heavy-duty wheels and 360-degree rotating front wheels. They glide smoothly and provide great control. It's made with a durable, rust-resistant, epoxy-coated steel frame built to last. The cart is designed for long-term use and includes all necessary hardware. With its comfortable foam-covered handle, it's perfect for grocery shopping, laundry, transporting gear, and so much more. It's versatile and convenient for all your needs. What we like. This cart is built to last with a heavy-duty frame and smooth rolling wheels. The comfortable grip makes it easy to pull. If you need a durable and comfortable cart for heavy loads, this is a great option. What people say. Very happy with its sturdy and durable design. Even more pleased with its compact, roomy and convenient features. The handles are nicely padded for comfort. This really comes in handy when the cart is full to the brim. Has held up very well to nearly daily abuse and fits perfectly in the truck of my Toyota CHR. The wheels are strong and provide a smooth ride, even glides nicely on bumpy pavement in parking lots. I really like that it folds up really easily. Literally within seconds we are ready to roll. The detachable basket is a lifesaver. It makes loading and unloading super easy, especially when dealing with bulkier items. The wheels really are heavy duty and roll smoothly, even with super heavy loads. The handle is covered in soft foam so it makes the grip really comfortable. I also love that it folds down easily, which is great for storage. It doesn't take up much space when not in use. The cart's sturdy design and smooth rolling wheels make transporting items a breeze. The collapsible feature is a lifesaver, allowing easy storage when not in use. The spacious cargo area accommodates a surprising amount, and the durable construction ensures it can handle heavy loads. Number 1. YITAHOME Folding Cart. It folds up easily for simple storage and transport. Its compact size is perfect for small spaces and makes it easy for anyone to handle. With durable, smooth rolling wheels, it effortlessly glides over various surfaces. Enjoy a smooth shopping experience, no matter the terrain. Weighing only 5.5 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. Take it anywhere you need extra help carrying items. Despite its compact size, it boasts ample storage, holding up to 88 pounds. It's perfect for groceries, laundry, or anything else you need to transport. It's not just for shopping. Use it for laundry, household items, picnics, camping. The possibilities are endless. What we like. It's lightweight and folds up easily, making it perfect for seniors or anyone who wants a simple, easy-to-use cart. The smooth wheels make it easy to maneuver. If you need a lightweight and easy-to-use cart, this is a great option. What people say. It is sturdy, can be collapsed easily and opens in one step. This will make my life much easier. I use it to bring packages and/or groceries into my house, and one trip does it, and it is very stable and extremely easy to pick up, actually can be picked up with one hand. So easy to put together and large enough to hold 3 loads of clothes. Easy to maneuver, sturdy, rolls smoothly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.